my sweetest little NEET aspirants. I hope all of you are doing absolutely good. So I have been receiving so many comments, so many doubts in the live sessions also about NEET, and I didn't have an answer to give. The reason being that there was no official update on it. Right now there is an official update and I'm going to discuss about that. Make sure you listen to this particular video properly, and if at all you have any doubts which still exist, put it down in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you out. Okay, so let's go ahead with the update. So my dear children, I had made a PPT to make things a little easier for you. So there are two scenarios. Scenario one is that you had given NEET examination. Okay, somehow you missed KEA counseling registration. That means you are from Karnataka, or basically your parents were from Karnataka. You meet the eligibility criteria which is required to claim for this medical seat in Karnataka. But you have not registered for the KEA counseling before when it was open. So in that case, do you have a chance that you can still participate in KEA counseling, and basically on the basis of your NEET marks, can you grab a seat here? The answer is yes. As I said, if you have not registered, the only way you can do it is by registering. And for that, there is a link that they have given in the KEA's official website. I'll be showing you that. So just to read it out, just to summarize what I have said, by any chance, if you have not understood, it will help you. So if you didn't register for KEA counseling before, but you have given the NEET examination and are eligible to participate in KEA counseling because you meet the eligibility criteria, in that case, there is an option for you to go ahead and do the fresh registration. So you can register fresh using the link given in the KEA website. The link looks like this: UG NEET 2026 online application link, only for new registration. Now this is not for children who have already registered. I'll talk about children who have already registered. Now, since we are talking about it, let me show you where you can go and do the registration process. So this is the KEA website, right? Now over here, go to admissions. Here you see UG NEET 2026. Click on this, not on this but this. Okay, UG NEET 2026. Now over here again, if you change the language, the first link that you see is online application link, only for new registration. Please make sure you have given NEET examination, and as I said, you match the eligibility criteria for participating in KEA counseling. Okay, then only you can go ahead and grab a seat in Karnataka state for your medical, aspirations out there. Now, I hope this part is understood. By the way, you have reached until this point and have not hit the subscribe button yet. If not, make sure you do so right now for not missing out on any updates, and only if you feel that this channel has helped you in some ways. Okay, now the scenario second one is like you have already registered in KEA counseling and wish to get a medical seat. So probably you might have initially registered and done the option entry for the other seats out there. It could be engineering, it could be something else, but you badly wanted a medical seat. But the problem was that the medical seat matrix was not available. That is why you were not able to do the entry. So in that particular case, since you have already registered or probably you have already participated in the KEA counseling process, the next thing that you have to do is, okay, step one is to provide your NEET roll number. So you have your NEET roll number, you have to provide that. Provide where, ma'am? Provide in the link that they are going to share with you. So probably within a day or two, they would be giving you a link. As far as I know, according to the official statement given by the KEA director himself, executive director himself, Dr. Prasanna sir, he said that personally in your registered mobile number, you would be getting a message saying that the registration, or basically the link to put down the NEET roll number is officially there. But that is one scenario. I'll request you also, you saw just like how I showed you the link to find for the registration, right? Similarly, make sure you check this every now and then whenever possible. Go to admissions, click on UG NEET 2026. Here is where all the updates regarding NEET is going to come. So make sure you do check that. Okay, so first thing is to provide your NEET roll number. Now, why do you need to provide your NEET roll number? Such that KEA can directly fetch your marks from there. Okay, that is the reason they want you to provide your NEET roll number, and also it gives an idea whether this child has given the NEET examination or not. Cool. So that is step 1. So whenever it comes, we'll definitely make sure we update you. But by any chance you are getting it first, make sure you go ahead and do the entire process. Now step 2 is download your verification slip. So I do understand you have registered already. You probably have downloaded your verification slip also before. But this time it will be a new verification slip altogether. And this verification slip will also include your NEET ranking as well. So you saw engineering rank was this much, my this rank was this much. Of course, they give you separate ranking, right? Similarly, you will be getting your NEET ranking as well in your verification slip. That is step number 2. Again, they will be providing your link for downloading that sooner or later. Once this process, step 1 is being done, then obviously step 2 will also be provided to you. Now after that, once you have got the verification slip as well, that means that you're totally eligible to participate in the counseling process, right? That's when the option entry portal is also going to open. Not now. Again, it will take time. Please be rest assured that probably within a week or 2 it would be given to you, maximum by the next week. But yes, so that is how it is going to go. You will get the option entry portal, where what you can do is, until now we heard that we were not supposed to add colleges, we cannot add colleges. Now that is for the pre-existing course. These medical seats are new ones. We never got the seat matrix of these courses, right? So this will be for the first time where you can add the colleges or the courses which you are looking forward for. Okay, so whether it's dental or MBBS, whatever seats you're looking forward for, make sure you add the colleges there. Okay, and you can rearrange the preference. For example, you had the engineering college first. Now if you want to change the priority order, you want to rearrange the order, can you do that? The answer is yes. You can add, you can rearrange, you can delete, whatever you want to do, you can do with the newly added seat. I'm talking about the medical seat. The engineering and all, you cannot basically, you can rearrange and delete, you cannot add anything up there. But for the medical seats, I'm telling you, since the new seat matrix have come, the first one to come for this year, it is going to come. Basically, in that case, you can add, rearrange and delete if you wish to. Good. Obviously, adding is the first thing that you have to do. Now, if you want to delete some as well, you can do so. And if you want to rearrange, you can do so. So that should not be something that you would be worried about anyways. So I hope that is clear. Now this is for what? This is for children who have already registered. So make sure whenever the link comes, put in your NEET roll number. Okay, second thing, download your verification slip when it comes. The third thing, option entry portal should be taken seriously, and you should be adding your medical options as well. Got it? I hope that is clear. Now whenever all these things, all the links would be coming in, we'll make sure we'll make a video on that. That's why I said hit on the subscribe button for not missing out on any updates. Now one more very important thing, as I said, there are children who are going to go with fresh registration. When you go with fresh registration, that means that your documents have not been verified yet. So once your basically you go ahead with fresh registrations out there, later on you will be notified regarding your document verification process also. So be updated about that. Once they call you for document verification, make sure you get your documents verified. Then only you will be allowed to get your verification slip. Without getting your documents verified, obviously there is no option for you to get the verification slip. So yes, be sure that you stay updated with everything that is happening in the KEA website. That is the only way, only official way and the right way to get all the information. Okay, and definitely we are here to pass that information to you guys as well. So I hope this video helped, and I hope this gave a little happiness to all of you who were ardently waiting for a seat in medical. So wishing you the best out there. May all of your dreams come true. May all of you land up in some good college, the best college out there, and be the best doctors. Yes, and also children who are from pharmacy background, still the seat matrix for you guys has not been released. KEA has not got it yet. That's the reason. So once they do that, we'll update you regarding that as well. Okay, so bye bye, take care, lots and lots of love.